So, good morning everybody. Welcome to the Happy New Year and welcome to exercises that increase confidence. So today is about shoulders and general fat loss and how to get a great shoulder, how to get a great abdominal and how to get a great butt. So the exercise is called clean and press. Clean and press, general fat loss exercise. Exercise you can incorporate into your program anytime you are in the gym. So this is one of the best exercises I do or I've used for my clients over the years for getting them great results, and me as well. So I'm going to start with the bar. So you want to position yourself, get yourself down properly, get your butt down, and clean, press. Then come back, clean, press. Clean. Repetition of that, then proceed to your cardio. I'll see you.